Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit. So today we are back again to give our reaction on Dhruva Natcharitam official teaser
Yes.
2. This is the tribute to our Vikram sir for his birthday, and I think this is 5th or 6th video.
Yes.
And we have already done the Dhruva Natcharitam official teaser 1, and you liked it a lot, and we also enjoyed it a lot. It was
Yes.
like seeming like a complete Hollywood movie clip we are seeing, and we really enjoyed that. And also this teaser also is going to be very rock on. I believe that, and I'm very
Yeah,
much
of
excited
course.
for that. So yeah, let's get started. But before that, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
Chalo, let's get started.
நான் வரேன் உங்களை தேடி வந்துட்டே இருக்கேன் ஒரு 42 மணி நேரம் எனக்கு தாக்கு பிடிங்க ஓகே நான் கம்யூனிகேட்டிங்
ஜான் டெல்லி நாளைக்கு சாயந்தரம் 4 மணி கொனாட் பிளேஸ் வந்துட முடியுமா எப்படி ஜான் நீ இப்போ நியூயார்க்ல இருக்குன்னு தெரியும் எனக்கு
டீபாடு வர்றேன்
வாடா
ஆனால் அவருக்கு ஒன்றும் ஆகக்கூடாது இல்லை இதெல்லாம் முடிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம சந்திக்கும் போது தள்ளு விட்டு போகணும்
God, he was looking like dashing. Awesome means it's hotty.
வெல்கம் பேக் ஜான்
Wow. Gestures. Nice. Okay.
So that was it, and this teaser was little bit small, but yes,
It was very small.
And this was like
But it is a treat to our eyes.
yes,
His
right.
appearance, his gesture, his physique means it's like.
And also
Okay.
with this small clip only we understood, because we have seen the first teaser.
Teaser,
we
yeah.
understood what is the context of this teaser.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, he is playing the role of a cop or an agent, undercover agent, as we told in the first teaser also as well. So his appearance and gesture was looking like very promising. That he is a very hot cop, and he is like doing his work for saving the country. Pakistani terrorist, I think, na.
Yes, something was
It
there,
was like that.
context,
This context is not telling that. I am just telling as per the first
first
teaser,
yes.
whichever we have seen actually previously. So yeah. So would you like to tell
Black
something
suit-
on this?
black
Black
was,
suit wala.
was looking too much handsome. Yeah.
At the age of 54 also, my goodness, like what he eats. He must has done a lot of workout, right?
Yes.
For achieving that body, and for getting that gesture.
Yeah, and in this teaser also we have
Truly.
seen like his hair is a little bit white, and also he's looking like a bit experienced.
Experienced, not old, a bit
Not old,
experienced.
experienced, you can
Yeah, that is very much suitable, and he was carrying it like in a bomb.com way. Okay,
And again
he
I will
is.
say his dusky voice. Also was
Dusky
superb.
voice was
Yes,
superb.
I like that.
I only that Vikram sir, I like him a lot, but what I most like is his beard. The style of the beard is like it's marvelous.
Exactly, yeah. It was
For me
superb.
actually, because
And
I really like the beard wala look of
Yes.
any person,
And beard also, it's not like it will suits on everybody.
everybody. It will not
It
suit
doesn't
for
suits
yes,
everybody,
you're right.
but yes.
But he is carrying
Carrying
it like dashingly. It is
Yeah.
very suitable on his face and structure of the face.
Right.
So yeah, I am really looking forward. I don't know why this movie has not got released yet. People are telling that it has not got released,
Yeah,
right?
It's,
So don't know why, because
teaser was
2017
released
only
in 2017.
3 years back almost.
And they
But
also
why?
have given tribute to Happy Birthday.
To Happy
Chiyan
Birthday
sir.
Chiyan
Yes.
sir also. But I am very much disappointed to know that the movie has not got released, because they have put a lot of work
Not
and
even movie, but
everything.
trailer
Trailer
also,
also
I
has not
think.
got released,
Yes,
na?
I don't think,
Ha. So that is the real struggle of an actor. They have put blood, sweat, and everything
Yeah.
on that movie. But if it is not getting released, it is very
Maybe
heartbroken.
some problem is there.
Maybe. So we really hope that this movie soon get released, and we can see iconic movie.
Right,
Okay,
yes.
in front of our eyes. So we'll be very happy for Vikram sir if that happens. And भगवान करे ऐसा हो. Okay, so yeah, we really like it and it was like treat to our eyes. Definitely we enjoyed it a lot. It was a 10 on 10.
Of course.
Okay, that clip was very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I also really hope that you like this content like we did. Now this is the time to read the comments for today. So the first comment for today's video is from Music and Games, and he's telling you guys have missed so many places celebrations when the North America comes to you guys. Have noticed it? Please see the video once more to see his power and lovable fans through all over the world. And he's writing 25 years of Vijayism part 2 video.
Yes.
Okay, yes, we have seen
Yes,
that
we
North
have seen
America.
everything. We have not commented, but yes, we have.
We have
seen.
not commented, but we have seen that, and we are very much happy to
And
see
also,
that
after creating this
whole
video,
world.
also we have seen many times.
Many times, yeah, whole world is like appreciating Vijay sir, and that is a very big thing. Okay, so we are really happy and we are mesmerized that time, truly I'm saying. And thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos on a regular basis.
So the second comment for today is from Chill Clips. He is saying that exclusively a special mashup of Thala Ajit's birthday releasing on 25th April. Please react on 25th. Okay.
25th today is 22nd ना?
Yes.
22nd. Okay, 25th April में क्या होगा? Ajit sir's birthday releasing. Okay, in which channel or?
Yes, if it
have to
released
search
or
them.
if you have any information,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can give that channel link. We will follow that.
Yeah, please give the channel link, or you can also give us the link so that
Yes.
on 25th only we can do.
Right.
Okay, so you can definitely follow us on Instagram or in Facebook. Okay,
Yes.
you can definitely connect. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and for commenting on our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Arul Rahul, and he's telling that it's not the end in this movie after Ajit's death. In this movie, Vijay also loved a girl and he also faced many problems, and finally both are joined and the movie gets over, and Vijay is the main hero in this movie. Ajit came only flashback.
Okay.
Okay,
So we have
that
seen
is
in
not
that first clip, he was thinking with taking his photo
taking
in
his
his
photo.
hand.
Okay, Vijay Ajit Friendship
Yes,
Singh ka past
right,
part
part
1.
one.
Okay, so so we can definitely search for the remaining
Next,
next scene, and we can definitely give our reaction.
Yes.
And both Vijay sir and Ajit sir both were acted so well in that
this
movie, and yeah, we really liked it. Definitely.
And
that
I
was
also
full of
wanted to see
emotional.
what happens in the next scene.
Next
what
scene.
Vijay sir contribution in that movie. Yes.
Definitely. So yeah, thank you so much Arul Rahul for watching our videos and for commenting. And these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you so much for commenting on our videos and for seeing our videos in a regular basis, and for being our subscriber. That means a lot to us. Please keep supporting us and keep watching our videos like this only. And also, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please click on the like button to like this video, and also share this video with your friends and family. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.